During October the 22nd to 25th, 2024, Bus Show FIAA Madrid Expo takes place at IFEMA, FIAA de Madrid. Yutong showcases 4 stellar new energy models with the concept of Think Eco, Move Green.
It is the first time for us to exhibit at FIAA Madrid, and we brought 4 electric bus models covering Class 1 to Class 3, which will increase Yutong's visibility and promote our products in Iberia.
E7S and U10 for urban bus, ICU12 for interurban bus, as well as T12E for Class 3 coach.
Yutong's booth used all environmentally friendly recyclable materials to implement the green and sustainable concept.
Bueno, la compañía de Yutong me parece bastante llamativa. Me parece una compañía que se preocupa por nuestro planeta, por el bienestar del medio ambiente y se preocupa por crear una nueva generación de autobuses que sea más ecológica y más eficiente. Mi modelo favorito es el E7S, el autobús pequeño. Me gusta cómo se ve, en general me gusta que todos los autobuses se ven bastante modernos.
Yutong always adheres to the sustainable development path of creating greater value through technology and maintains an investment of 5% of revenue in R&D all year round, independently mastering the 3 electric technologies and electric drive technologies. Aiming at the pain points of customers such as range limitation, battery safety, charging efficiency, operation reliability, and cost efficiency, Yutong goes deep into extreme environments to challenge extreme operations, verifies the quality of its products with continuous technological breakthroughs and product innovations, as well as brings its customers reliable, efficient solutions for the whole scenarios.
Yutong made the initiative Zero Carbon Emission campaign, which generated after the perception, unity, human and nature, which is highly in harmony with our corporate strategy. It goes electric and intelligently connected. As one of our biggest bus builders, we are clear the social responsibility we shoulder. So far, Yutong has delivered more than 200,000 e-buses in circulation. The emission reduction is remarkable and incredible. Let's safeguard our homeland, do our part to make our environment more friendly. As the Yutong slogan says, better bus, better life. Yutong, you deserve it.
We will launch our new generation intercity bus SU12E, and we will carry out a lot of road tests in European countries, such as Italy, Spain, and Portugal.
Yutong is convinced that the key to promoting the progress of public transportation lies in providing customers with sustainable products and services. In the future, Yutong will continue to devote itself to the electrification transformation with overwhelming enthusiasm and join hands with global partners to create green and sustainable mobility solutions.